Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Today I thought I would go through and show you guys how I set up my day trades. This comes in response to a viewer asking, how exactly do I do day trading on Robinhood? So I thought I would jump into a stock that I've done quite a bit of day and swing trading with in the past. Do a couple small day trades to kind of show you how I set up my day trades, which is fairly easy on Robinhood. And this method doesn't take a lot of time, so I don't need to necessarily be watching the ticker symbol throughout the day. I simply put in some limit buy orders, some limit sell orders, and just kind of watch and see how they play out through the day. And if they are successful, then I can go ahead and repeat that process as many times as I would like. So as you guys know, I have quite a few shares of Portola here, 732 shares at $28,379 currently. And kind of give you guys an idea of how I do my day and swing trades, I went ahead and just did a few small day trades today. You can see I put a limit buy in earlier today, 80 shares at $38.95. That was a limit buy. And then I went ahead and put a limit sell order in later at $39.05 to make about a $9 or so, $8 or so trade. Went ahead, put in that same limit buy again, $38.95, this time 90 shares. Went ahead and sold off again at that $39.05 again, those same 90 shares. Made about $9 or so on that day trade. And then here was the mistake I made. So I went ahead and put another limit buy in at $38.95, picked up 93 shares, but then I forgot to put in a limit sell order, which was my bad on that one. And what happened at the end of the day here, you can see that I put that order in about 238 or so, and you can see the stock did trend back up above my sell at $39.05. Unfortunately, I forgot to put that order in. Obviously, it was not executed, and then at the end of the day, the stock kind of trailed off here a bit, which isn't a big deal because I'm definitely keeping some of these shares for the long-term play later this, probably later this summer. These two products will be coming out that are currently in this particular company's pipeline, but definitely a little bit of an error there. I could have picked up another $10 or so. So you can see here, would have made 3 nice trades here today. Nothing major. You can put in a little bit more capital, obviously, to make some more money. And you can be a little bit more aggressive with your limit buys and limit sells. But I was pretty confident picking up these shares at the price that I put in, 38. Let's go back to the limit sell here. Pretty confident I could sell off at $39.05. And I was pretty confident that the stock would continue trending up to that particular level here. Again, $39.05. And I was pretty confident that I could buy these back at the price of $38.95, which, again, you can repeat this process as many times throughout the day as you want, and you don't necessarily need to be watching the ticker all day long. You simply put in your limit buys, limit sells, and kind of watch to see how the stock plays out. If they are executed, great. If not, no big deal. And again, I only do this strategy with stocks that I'm more than comfortable holding for the longer term. So this particular stock here, as you guys saw, I made an error, forgot to put my limit sell in, but not necessarily concerned about that because I'm having a lot of these shares held for a little bit longer play. So if I can't get out of a day trade, that's fine. I'll go ahead and hang on to these shares. More than happy to do that. And that's why I do a lot of day trading with Ford as well. That's a stock that if I can't get out of the stock, if it starts trending down, which it has trended down over the last 3 or 4 weeks, it's fine. I'll simply pick up some more shares for a little bit longer term play on that particular stock. There's a lot of stocks that a lot of you guys do some swing trading with, some day trading with, penny stocks that I would not be comfortable holding overnight. So it would be a much bigger error if this was a penny stock holding overnight rather than this particular stock. But again, a little bit of an error. Forgot to put that limit sell in. But that's essentially how I do my day trades on Robinhood. I kind of pick out a price where I'm pretty confident I can pick up some shares and then put in a price that's not too aggressive, but I think that the stock will trend back up to. And you can see here, you could have done this thing, this particular trading process throughout the entire day. $38.95, trending back up, trending down again, back up, down, and really it's just a matter of trying to figure out how aggressive you want to be with your limit buys and limit sells. Obviously, if you try to buy too low, the stock may never get down to that particular price, and if you try to put in your limit sells a little bit too aggressively, obviously it might not trend back up to the price you would think as well. So that's how I do my limit buy and limit sell day trades on Robinhood. Fairly easy. Don't have to sit in front of the app all day watching the ticker. simply put in the automated orders, limit buys, limit sells, and kind of see if they play out at the end of the day. And again, you can repeat that process as many times as you want throughout the day and make a little bit of a return. So that's how I do my day trades. Let me know how you guys do your day trades, if you do it in a similar process or you do something completely different. Let me know either way. So kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And until next video, I'll see you then.